na kami. Good morning everyone. Naiwan ang kickboard. Going back? Happy ka na? Hi guys, how are you? How are you? It's me again, Steph. So today meron swimming lesson ng mga kids and medyo late na kami. Kaya nagmamadali ako. Hindi na ako nakapag-video nung nag-aayos ako. So yun lang. Good morning everyone.
Morning!
Kuya,
Hi.
I'll buy you the sauce if you want later. Where are we going?
Swimming lesson! Yay!
Ang dami na
Guys, we
naiwan.
forgot our skateboard.
Naiwan ang kickboard, naiwan ng tubig. Ano pang naiwan niya? Pagkatao niya, hindi niya naiwan.
Hindi. Siyempre. For sure na. So, bigat na no?
Imbes na mabuisit ako, wala tayong magagawa. Ganyan sa wala. Kuya, Seppi, I'm not showing your ano. Ano, naghihintay. We're already here na. Sa swimming lessons ng kids. And ang tagal nilang natin kasi siguro 1 month and a half din silang hindi nakapag-swimming because nga nag-exam sila. So, but after this, tuloy-tuloy na. Si Joseph will probably take twice a week na kasi we're basal. Twice a week na si Joseph. Si Elise, kasi may dance siya. So, probably once a week na lang siya. Kaya, sure ko lang. Going back? I'm gonna go sa ano?
Let's
King
get to
Smart.
bodega.
Ano? Bodega. What are you gonna do?
Blah, blah, blah. Look at the blah, blah.
This guy over here will buy his hot sauce. Kasi wala na siyang hot sauce. Pasa. They have what?
I'll get ice cream.
Ice cream lang sa'yo. Ikaw, okay. Happy ka na? Yun kaya, happy siya. Dapat doon na lang sa dulo. Maybe let's go on the other side. Let's go. I need to buy hook as well for your sister's palda. You hold on. Let's check here. Sabi ba yung red? Like the same old ones that they used to wear? Yeah. Like this one? Yeah. Okay. I think it's expensive here. This one? You have this na, di ba? That bottle. Ay, how much po yung ganito?
Doon tayo sa dulo.
Ay, sorry. Thank you po.
Panapin ko yung dyan po.
Okay po.
Ano po?
Costume.
Opo.
Po.
Ay, kayo po.
kanino, madam?
Sa kanya po. Yung pants na red.
Ah, pants na red.
For
Set
box.
po, set.
Hindi. Pwede bang pants lang? Kasi mayroon na siyang top.
Ito po, cloth. Different.
The cloth one, di ba you have the red cloth pa
Yeah,
sa
but I
baba?
don't think it will fit my neck.
Sepi, they're the same sizes. Kasi you're gonna just tie them. Okay. Sige po. What?
I finally go home.
We already secured the costume. So, we're finally going home. Ay, hindi. I'll buy ice cream muna.
Sumixi ba?
Lamig. The one with pearls. You want some?
Yeah. I'll get the one with the cone.
Cone? Do they have cone?
Yeah, diba?
Oh. I'll get the one with pearls. I like that.
I don't really like the one with the cup. Because at the bottom, there's like something. It tastes like...
It's a brown sugar.
I don't like the brown. This one ice cream.
Naiwan si Fons and si Elise sa kotse kasi naantok si Elise. So, babalik kami sa parking.
Like reviewing the toy, you know, the Tobat, the robot.
Yeah.
I have that.
Post it on your Facebook. I just send it to me. Okay, go inside na. We're here. Where we going?
Church.
Happy Sunday.
About hundreds of adolescents and crushed years ago.